Hello, and welcome to Team Linguini's video presentation. My name is Natalia. For our project, we chose to create an IDE using Emacs. First, let's meet the team. Aurelia is our project lead, Diego is our specification lead, Laura is our interface lead, Nick is our technical lead, and I'm the documentation lead. Emacs is a powerful text editor and a popular choice for many programmers, but it is not very user-friendly. Our team transformed Emacs into a highly customizable, all-in-one IDE that is much easier to use.
To load the configurations, all you need to do is open your .emacs file. These few lines of code will set up the entire program, and you can customize the directory that you have installed the repository to. And these are all of the features that we have. You can edit any programming language as a text file with any extension. There's Git integration, GDB for debugging. You can share a session over the internet and connect to it from any device. All undos and redos are saved to a separate file so they can be recovered between sessions. All files are backed up automatically for multiple copies.
What our dashboard looks like when you first run Emacs. You can see it tells you how many packages are loaded and how long it took for it to load them. And then it also shows you the recent files that you edited. So now you can go to the user preferences menu if you want to change the look. So that's Control-C, Control-Z. So first you can change the theme. So for example, say we want it to be just Tango, you can select Tango. And then when you click Save Theme Settings, it'll write to the custom file, and whenever you load Emacs again, it'll remember what settings you did. So going back to the dashboard, you can also edit the font if you want, so it finds all the fonts on your computer, and you can select any of them, and also the font styles and stuff, so let's change it. So it looks like that. And then also, you can edit the face, and this will just change how different types of text are displayed.
Other than C++, we provide languages like Java and Python. So while opening two terminals for the different languages, you could actually just run one of the languages, and it will immediately generate a specific terminal that would run the language. You can open a file by just clicking the file, for example the CPP file, and built in our IDE we have autocompletion, and you can just click tab and enter to see the types of stuff in the autocompletion. Our IDE has a built-in syntax checking, which is on the fly, so it will show an error, and when you hover over it you can see what the error is. Other than that, you could also open the toolbar by clicking Control X and Control X again, and in the toolbar there are buttons that you can choose, or you can also just immediately type what it is, for example opening the terminal. Another option in the toolbar is that you can also have split the windows. For example, you want to split it horizontally, and then you can use the toolbar again to actually close the window by clicking this or typing K.
So in the share session, you can allow multiple users to edit the same buffer at the same time. All you need to do is enter the port number, the name of the session, and the address, and send those to the person who you want to share with. And then it kind of works like Google Docs, but it uses a different algorithm called CRDT. Unfortunately, we can't use it on BU Wi-Fi because it's an enterprise network, and it does only work on local networks. However, a workaround could be using a VPN, and yeah, it's a really unique feature of our IDE that most other IDEs don't have.
And another feature of our toolbar is that we could also run GDB before you compile your code, and you just click enter, and this should run the GDB. Other than running the GDB, now we can try compiling our code, where we can just click this button and it shows that it compiles, and then we can open the toolbar again and run.
Thanks for watching, and good luck coding.